called Thermofoil or Lamifix, depending whether you want matte or shiny. And it is basically an adhesive. It's got an adhesive on one side. It basically just melts into the fabric, but it leaves it with a really nice tension. So that's now a washable surface.
What did you say it was called? What did you say that?
Oh, it's called Lamifix. Yeah, it's just a product name, but basically it's just a plastic that will stick on. It also comes off relatively okay as well. Sometimes better than others, but there's that. The other thing we can also use it to do is to embed other things onto the surface of our fabric. So whether that is changing things up. So I've just used little sequins, but it does change the surface of it. So, oh. So, yeah, I've got my scissors.
Why are you so hyper?
More coffee for her.
So
more coffee for you.
basically, I'm going to cut the product down.
That's a bad idea. Thank you.
So all of these are available from shop as well. Cool. Great, so shiny side up. And then we'll go over to the heat press.
Could you embroider on top of that? Just like once it's...
Yeah.
Can you embroider the lemonade?
Yeah, no problem.
So like rip off them?
Depends what type of embroidery you were doing. But the idea is if it's stuck on all over, it should be fine. Yeah. Cool. So with the heat press, it can get really, really hot. So the first thing I would do when you come to using the heat press, and it takes about half an hour to heat up, is just to check the settings. So to change the settings of this, basically you want to push set once. SP stands for the temperature, so you can go up or down using the arrow keys. Push it again. ST is the time, so it's currently set to 60 seconds, so that's 1 minute. And then you push set again, it would basically bring you back to the main menu. So that is all you need to remember. So once it does heat up, this entire plate gets really, really hot, so just make sure that the only thing you are touching is the handles. The other thing is you need to make sure that you are using Teflon sheets. We had a pretty big incident, so now it kind of has a semi-permanent one, but just make sure that you're using the extra ones as well. There are some little ones over there as well, which come in handy when you're doing smaller samples. Cool. Other thing is too, sometimes when these products come in contact with heat, they start to curl up, so it might pay to have everything set up and just move it onto the heat press. I think we'll be okay. Cool. So the 90 degrees for 60 seconds is the setting basically for this product. Sweet. So once it clicks into place, the timer essentially will start to go off. And once it's been in there for a whole minute, it will make some beeping noises. So, yeah. Anybody have